Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to show you how to join two strings together using the most common functions, concat and concatenate. But before I do that, I'll just show you the slight differences in each one of them. Then you can choose which one is more applicable to your use case. So concat is perfect for joining two strings into one string. That's fantastic. It does that quite well. So as an example, it goes concat. Then we're going to say Andrew, then we're going to say Smith, then we're going to close that off, and voila, there you go. We got Andrew Smith, one string. That's good. However, if we want to say Andrew space Smith, that's when the problem starts. So to do that, traditionally you just go in, then you say space, then you go comma, then that should create a space in between. But because we're using concat, it will say like, well, I'm expecting two arguments, but you got three arguments, so that doesn't quite work. So what's the workaround? The workaround is using concatenate. So concatenate, what it does, it accepts multiple arguments that you can use to just arrange your strings more nicely or just add more characters to your strings. So here we say like concatenates Andrew and a space, and we're going to bring back the last name as well, and we're going to close that off, and voila. And that's it. That's the two differences. So one just joins two strings into one big string, and the other one, concatenate, it joins multiple strings. So you can choose which one is more applicable to your case and just go with it, but know that concatenate is more flexibility. You can use it for multiple strings that you might be trying to join. And there you go, guys. That was it for today, and thank you so much for watching. If you find this useful, make sure to subscribe and like, or even just leave a comment if you find this more useful, or if you have any questions at all. Thank you. Until next time. Bye.